Hi, I'm Carl Fleming here at MarineMax Stuart. I'm here with Brian McGlynn. Today we're going to take you through this 2021 Scout 195 Sportfish. This is a perfect boat whether you want to load up the family and head out to the sandbar, grab a few friends and head off a few miles offshore and do some fishing.
One of the reasons that this is a great boat for you is the engine package. This boat is power matched with the Yamaha 150 outboard. This is one of the most reliable engines on the market, and it has plenty of speed to get you out to the fishing spot. If you plan on doing any water sports, it also has enough torque to get your kids out of the water if they're skiing or wakeboarding.
So for those days you do want to load up the family and head out to the sandbar, this boat has plenty of seating on it. We've got these two jump seats in the back here. They're very secure and comfortable, enough for a couple people at the helm. There's additional seating in front of the console here, as well as the lounger pad up in the bow.
Alright guys, so for the days out fishing with a few of your buddies, it has rod holders all the way around on the gunnel, up into the transom, a really nice freeboard, high freeboard for a 19-foot boat with bolsters so you don't bang up your knees. Now if you plan on using any live bait, goggle eyes, sardines, etc., it has a pretty nice sized live well underneath the leading post.
Finally, at some point you're going to want to get out of the sun. For those times, this boat's equipped with a large removable bimini top. Plenty of shade for the family, whether you be at the sandbar or if you're out fishing, want the extra space and want to take it off, you just pop a couple pins and the whole top comes right off. Thank you for allowing us the time to show you the Scout 195 Sportfish. Again, I'm Carl Fleming. This is my friend Brian McGlynn here at MarineMax Stuart. If you'd like to schedule an appointment to see this boat, you can give us a call at 772-287-4495. Thanks.